safari.
Huh?
Kwamba tuingie safari.
Yeah, yeah. Benare io andiamo un po', ma come ingegnava lì? Tu sapeva lì, quando ma kamu singgung lagi kok?
Iya kayaknya.
Wayang ini.
I'm drinking water from Zambezi River. This is clean water, crystal water as you can see. we are at the middle now. The middle and the deepest point. Hey, my boss. My boss. Let us just go back, my boss. I'm scared. Boss, I'm scared. Please, take me back. I'm scared. Please. No. Take me back. I'm scared. See where he's taking me now. To a village. Yeah. Wow. Toi, you know not me show too. Flood dates. Hey guys, this is Zambia, the real Africa. I love Zambia, I love my country, Zambia. Everything you want is here in Zambia. See the nature itself, guys. Wow. Everywhere you look, everywhere I point the camera is green vegetation. Wow. As you can see, I'm blessed with water. In fact, Zambia, we have got a lot of water bodies in Central and Southern Africa. Yeah. So this is Zambezi River. Wow. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Maron 3 Days Tours and Travelers. Guys, I've enjoyed the ride. 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 Okay guys, we are now back to the dry run. Yeah, I've enjoyed the ride here. Thank you so much. My captain here. My captain.
Yes.
Thank you so much. What do you say? What do you say in your language, Sami Pali? God bless you.
Oh, that's in Pali.
Mukaba Bwanji in your language.
Mulimu amifu ya ule.
Mulimu amufu na ule. Amifu ya wile. Meaning God bless you. Oh wow. So my tour guide, please guys, thank you so much for your time, for taking care of me. Mulimu
amifu ya ule.
Wow. So guys, Maron 3 Days Tours and Travelers. Time now to take off my life jacket. Wow.